This is TCI page 56, Molecular Motion in Liquids. Nothing quenches a thirst better than a cold drink of water on a hot day. You slurp the water, slosh it around in your dry mouth, and feel it flow down your throat. What allows water to slosh and flow? Water is a liquid, a substance in the state of matter, which its atoms or molecules are closely packed and touching one another, but are not held in fixed positions. The atoms or molecules of a liquid vibrate as they do within solids. Unlike within a solid, the molecules can also move around each other. Because of the arrangement and movement of their particles, liquids are able to flow. The shape of a macroscopic amount of liquid can change to take on the shape of its container as its molecules flow around each other. Like solids, the molecules of liquids are closely packed and touching one another. However, unlike solids, the molecules of liquids are able to slip past one another, much like grains of sand pouring through an hourglass. As the molecules in a liquid, such as water, slide past one another, they fill in any gaps around them. Gravity pulls them downward, and they slide past one another until they have filled up any free space and taken the shape of the lower part of their container. Observe figure 2. In a container of water, the molecules of water are closely packed and touching one another, but they are not held in fixed positions. Instead, the molecules of water can slip past each other as they move. As a result, gravity pulls them downward until they have filled up the free space at the bottom of the container. Figure 2. The molecules that make up a liquid like water are closely packed but can slip past each other within the liquid. The molecular arrangement and motion are what cause a liquid to have a changing shape and fixed volume. When you pour a glass of water, the gravity pulls the water molecules downward to the bottom of the cup where they flow around each other and take on the shape of the cup. When you shake a container of water, the molecules flow around each other to cause the sloshing effect that you can observe.